Officially leaving Granada, my favorite city in Spain so far. It's beautiful. It's a Spanish city with lots of influences, Arabic influences, and the mix. It's really nice. I really like it. There are many things to do. There is the Alhambra, which is this Arabic palace of the Arabic rulers. There is the Arabic quarter, and there are loads of tea rooms. There are kind of a hammam bath, the Arabic bath, and then there is a side with loads of caves, and that's like the gypsy side. So there are loads of restaurants where you can where there are performers doing flamenco music and flamenco dancing. So there's many things that you can do in Granada. From here, from Granada, I plot out a bike touring route to Murcia, because I have to get there relatively quickly, because I want to see the friends of they also have a YouTube channel, Dos Bicis in Destino, and they are leaving to go to Namibia in a few days. I met Ruben in somewhere in the middle of nowhere in Ethiopia on a dirt road. Back to insane climbing in these villages. It's not super steep, but over 20 kilometers climbing. I hope the end is near. Still climbing. Still going up. I have to check the map. Puerto de los Blancares, 1297 meters above the sea level. Almonds and grapes. There's one there and one behind the tree. See? They're mountain goats. I think I came from those mountains. I have to follow this road for about 15 kilometers or 17 kilometers. At least there is a side path that is rideable. Ah, okay. Ah, it's fun. It's a very nice road. But why? Why did they put these rocks? I love it. Beautiful. No. Fuck no. It's quite deep. Let me check if I can go around. Nope, there is the autopista. That's it. I mean, it's not gonna fail now. Fucking hell. Are you serious? I suffer of vertigo. The bridge is moving with a little breeze, for fuck's sake. I feel it moving. Oh, come on and that is impossible. I'm gonna fall down. The only bit is here, but I mean, it's really thin there. No, not gonna chance my life in Spain. Fuck's sake. That's it, end of the road. This bridge is shaking with a light breeze, and there is a deep canyon underneath. Another one I fell. Here I clearly cannot pass, there are two bigger gaps. The only suitable path would be this, but it's very shaky. And yeah, there's only a tiny little bit of wood there left, even that one, and further ahead. Fuck it, I suffer of vertigo. There's a road there, but I'm not even sure I can go on that road because it's probably an autopista. My only hope is that I can go around the edge of this farm. I think here you have a better perspective of the scale of the canyon. It's very deep. It must be maybe 100 meters. This is a waterway. I can't really use that bridge, but luckily the farm got me on this old road, and it looks like there is a bridge here. Sound and safe. What a view! What a view!
There's a part of me that feels it. I'm so glad that you made it true. There's a part of you that even feels it a little more now.
I think I will be camping here. Seems like a good spot. Buenos dias. It was fairly chilly last night. The summer is coming to an end, definitely. Cortada por obras. See if I care. Almonds tree everywhere, but they did the harvest here, but not here. This is my first stop of the day. I love this. Farmer's farm. Some big spaces in Spain. Fucking hate these bridges. Look, a tumbleweed rolling. I had seen these trees a few kilometers back and I was wondering what they were. So these are pistachios. If I can open it. This is the pistachio. It's okay, it's nice even like this. So Andalusia full of surprises. So they grow almonds, they grow pistachios, avocados, passion fruit, mangoes, kaki, apples. I think I'll move in Andalusia. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola.
¿Dónde vas? Bueno, nada, que te vaya bien. Buen camino. Ciao. He's the third person in Spain that knows me from my YouTube channel. Ai cazzo, discesa! no, saluta mia faccia de merda. Another bridge, I guess. This one is a bit more complicated. Luckily it wasn't a big detour. I only had to backtrack 300 meters. I need to cross into the other valley somehow. Hopefully it's not muddy. Let's see. Ah, fuck! I knew it. The problem is that the front wheel sank into the mud, and yeah, so I got 1 foot completely soaked. Changing valley yet again. I need to follow this river for a long while. Keep going. I think I can make it to Murcia tomorrow. Sunset here. This is where I'm leaving the river. There is a little village, I think. Having dinner, and I think I'm gonna camp in this area, recreational area. 25 past 9. The days are too short. Buenos dias. This is where I camped. Very nice and dry, pleasant temperature still in this side of Andalusia. Today is gonna be a long day, almost 130 kilometers to Murcia, and I told Ruben from Dos Bicis Sin Destino that I was gonna be there tonight, so very quickly let's pack and go. New day, back on an old railway. Oh man, these fucking farms. Look at this mess. Look at the mud. Fucking hell. I love this landscape. So beautiful. This is a mixed farm. They harvest oranges and electricity. I wonder if anybody minds that I take one of those. I think those are too small for them to collect. They just let them rot in there. Time to eat the watermelon. I can smell it. So juicy. So sweet. Now the problem of all this farming is, look at this. For fuck's sake. Can you see those black pieces? They are plastic. Because they basically make beds for the crops. With this plastic film, and then it's not removed. So basically, when they mix the soil, it gets crunched up. So all these fields for kilometers and kilometers, it's soil and fucking plastic. There's no future for humanity. We are fucked. Lovely. There are little twisters. You can see better here the beds for the crop. This is not compostable. This is fucking plastic. It's disgusting. Look, it's everywhere. And then obviously the irrigation is almost single used. Look at the plastic everywhere. Bits and pieces of black plastic. Piles of black pipes they use for irrigation. Fields filled of plastic, left and right. Even the road is filled with plastic. There's only one road on my map. I hope it's this one. I wish those oranges were ripe. These are lemons. Granny gear on. Looks like I'm going through private property. As long as there are no fucking dogs, I'm happy. Look at the peacocks and the manure. 1, 2, 3, 4 peacocks. No fucking way. I'm screwed.
Now turn left, then turn right.
No way. It's a no-go. Alright, let's go down. The last thing I needed today, to be honest. I'm exhausted and I still have 30 k's to go. Okay, if you fence the whole thing. Don't just leave one side of the farm open and fence the other one. What's the point? I hope this road is not blocked, but you should go up the hill and around this farm. So far so good, guys. I'm on top. Okay, hopefully no more dead ends, but I'm still 30 kilometers away. For fuck's sake! Nothing, I can't go. There is this much, it's almost like, it's like this much of mud. I think I found an alternative route, but even here there was bits and pieces with mud. Slow entry into Murcia, and the bike lane into Murcia is called the Lovely Way. Una bici con destino, dos bicis sin destino.
Por ahora ningún destino, bueno, tú sí tienes destino.